So what about all the copycats that seem to prop up every day in every industry? Copying what's working and improving the business model to make it better is a norm in business. Disruptive ideas are rare, and pioneers are always the ones with the most arrows in the back. So what do? You pick up where the last pioneer died. Learn all that you can, build upon it your profitable venture with all the zest you can muster, my friend. Russell Brunson, the co-founder of ClickFunnels and internet entrepreneur, calls this technique funnel hacking. A funnel is a predefined sales system created to move prospects along their journey to become customers of a particular company. Creating a highly converting sales funnel or a high converting buyer journey is a time-taking process that requires tons of trial and error and testing. So rather than going through the process yourself, what you see is your competitors. You see how they are doing it, learn from their process, and you blatantly replicate it to your advantage. Facebook did it with stories when Mark Zuckerberg copied the stories concept from Snapchat and applied it to Facebook and Instagram. Instagram created Reels, which is a copy of TikTok. The ability to create full-screen 15-second videos which can be edited on the app with filters and music, etc., and you can share it with your audience. Copying successful business model is a business model of its own. I repeat, copying successful business models is a business model of its own. Facebook itself is a copy of MySpace. Ever since the Indian government started a crackdown on a number of Chinese apps, you are seeing a floodgates of apps looking to fill the market. The founders of these companies already know that the concept has been proven. The investors also have a grasp of the expected results, and they are ready benchmarks. So implementing the ideas pose less risk. Zomato was one of the first food delivery apps aggregators in India, followed suit by Swiggy, Uber Eats, etc. Ola has a model similar to Uber. However, it is more in tune with the Indian market. They were the first ones to introduce the OTP verification system, helping the rider verify passenger and vice versa. Thomas Edison, this is what he said: success is just 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration. Ideas are available at dime a dozen, and I've said it repeatedly. Riches lay in the effectiveness of your execution. No idea executes itself. It's about who executes an idea better. All ideas seem innovative until market punches you in the face. So when Tinder hit it big, all of a sudden you had this market filled with copycats. So you've got Tinder for pets, all right? You've got All Pause. You've got Tinder for shopping, Tunzi. You've got Tinder for recipes, Tender. And all of them, they are following the fabulous left or right swipe. And the same is true for Uber. You now have an Uber for helicopters. Call that Gotham Air. You've got Uber for groceries, Instacart. You've got Uber for dry cleaning, Washio, and they are all based on that single one-button push concept. Push a button to get anything. Once the concept has proven market acceptance, it's all for the taking. So if an idea proves to be successful in one industry, would it be so bad to try it out in another? No inspiration in its core essence is original. So what that means, in essence, all ideas are a rehash of things you have learned, experienced, and seen. So by sticking through with this, and by sticking through with this course, you would learn how to combine elements of successful ideas from one industry and use them to shape your vision for an idea which might be in a completely different industry serving a very different scope. And you would have my blessing. Pursue those ideas. Last but not the least,